Hi guys, how's everyone doing? This is Pete. Today I would like to introduce you my first build in 2023. This powerful rig is built in an awesome looking NZXT H510 Elite gaming case. This gaming system consists of an Intel i9 9900K processor along with 32 gigs of DDR4s with 3600 megahertz. And of course, this rackless graphics card is the MSI GeForce RTX 3090 with 24 gigs overclock version. This graphic card is so powerful, it will support a lot of gaming as far as Call of Duty, Overwatch, Apex Legends, League of Legends, you name it.